A bird unexpectedly flew into this woman's house, fluttering around aimlessly. The woman was terrified and told it to leave, but it didn't go and flew over her head. Soon, the bird settled down, but the woman was still afraid. Gradually, she began to see it as a little bird with beautiful feathers that just needed a home. Before long, the woman started taking care of it, and they quickly grew fond of each other. The bird filled her lonely days and made her feel beautiful, and from then on they did everything together, becoming best friends. If you think they're both beautiful, subscribe